Shillong Lajong FC will play their first One League 2024-25 match against Churchill Brothers of Goa on Sunday at the SSA Stadium at First Ground here. Kick-off will be at 7 p.m. Lajong, under coach Bobby Lingdor Norbet, had finished 8th out of 13 teams in I-League 2023-24, but today the new gaffer Jose Carlos Rodriguez Hevia said that the club is looking for nothing but the best, that is, the very top. That should be music to Lajong fans' ears, and now the players have to deliver. In them, Rodriguez expressed confidence.
Knowing the big gap we had from the last match of the World Cup till the first match of our league, what I required them was to have at least one friendly match each week, and the club managed perfectly everything, and we had 12 friendly matches in all this time, so we could prepare everything. Obviously, we couldn't play against the strong teams, the strong clubs. However, we had the minimum level required to play against other clubs, other teams that make us to get better every day, to get better and to carry on with the preparation properly as we expected before.
And now the weather report.